I'm just out here with the Bugs 3 Pro for a couple of minutes. This is the first time I'm taking it up. I just want to see how stable it is and all that mumbo jumbo. You know how that goes. I'll get some kind of recording of something. Okay, we're hoping something will record. Oh. Oh, let me put the GPS lock on. Well, the GPS wasn't on, so. I want to see how stable it is. Okay, well, it went back to the position it was in. I'll give it that. Yeah, seems pretty good, guys. What has it got? 16 satellites now. Seems to be doing pretty good. I don't know how this video is going to look. Seems to be some lag in the video for sure. No doubt. No doubt. Very cloudy out today. Seems to fly pretty good, guys, I'm telling you. Doesn't seem bad. It's pretty windy too. As you can see, it's rocking around a little bit. But it seems to be holding its own. Now, let's see. Let me look at the battery life here. Well, that seems like it's still good. Wow, 18 satellites now. What about these, like, follow me and all that mumbo jumbo? I don't know how this works on this one. I don't know if it's the same as the Bugs 5 or not, so. Well, I don't see it following me. I don't. Okay, well, it did something. Okay, it seems to be working, but it seems to keep a safe distance. It's not like the Pro Mark Warrior that comes and rolls right up on you, you know what I mean? And hits you in the face. This thing seems to keep a decent distance, but it actually works, you know? So, I'm kind of happy with that. It's following me. It would be probably working better if I was going faster, but since I'm so damn old, man, I just got off work and I'm tired as hell because I had to fix a pipe that broke in the wall today. So I canceled that. I mean, I'm tired as a Georgia mule, okay, out here chasing around the Bugs 3 Pro. But man, it seems to be flying pretty good. And that battery seems to be lasting a while too. Okay, so it has this other, I guess this orbit. Let's try that out for a minute. Let's see. Get it up a little bit higher. Yeah, seems to be doing it. I don't really understand how it works if there's some kind of setting in there. It just, I guess you just go to a spot and hit it and it just does it on its own. That's what it seems to me. But hey, it works. Yeah, I definitely have to bring and put the Hero 5 session on there with the image stabilization. I think that would be a lot better deal there. Yeah, the orbit works. Okay, I canceled the orbit. Oh yeah, it works. Good, I'm happy with that. No doubt. No doubt. The GPS lock seems pretty solid. Actually, To me, it flies just like the Bugs 5, okay? It's the same thing, man. Same thing. Alright guys, I just wanted to get a little quick flight in with it just to see how it would act. Seems to fly real nice, man. Real nice. All right, real nice, smooth as glass. I'm happy with it. It's better than that other one I had, the original one, the lemon head. All right, boys, have a nice day.